In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello background. We've all been there, staring at the same default background for days, maybe weeks, and you just feel like your workspace could use a breath of fresh air. That's why today I'm excited to guide you through the process of customizing your Trello board to make it as unique and inspiring as your projects. You'll find this straightforward tutorial both helpful and easy to follow. So, let's get started. First, you're going to want to open your favorite web browser and head over to Trello's homepage. You'll find Trello to be an excellent tool for organizing your tasks, whether for personal use or within a team. Once you land on their site, look up to the top right corner and click on the Login button. If you aren't already logged in, just enter your usual credentials, and if you're new to Trello, this will also be the place where you can sign up and start organizing right away. Next, once you've logged into your account, navigate over to the Boards tab. This tab is your home base for all of your Trello boards. Here's where you'll see all the boards you've created or have access to. Now, if you haven't created a board yet, you'll need to do that first. But assuming you already have one, click on the workspace which holds the board you're interested in jazzing up. After entering your workspace, you'll want to click on Boards again. Think of it as a way of diving deeper into your organization system. You'll see a list of your available boards, and from here you simply select My Trello Board or the name of the board you want to personalize. Now, this is where the magic happens. In the top right corner of your board, you'll notice a three-dot icon. This acts as a hub for additional options. Clicking this is your next move. Once you've clicked the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll see the option labeled Change Background. Click on that, and you'll open a menu where you can alter the aesthetics of your board to better fit your mood or theme. And that's it! Congratulations, you've now successfully changed the background of your Trello board. Play with different themes and images until you find one that really speaks to you. Remember, a well-customized workspace can not only enhance productivity, but also make you feel more inspired as you tackle your tasks. Thanks for joining me today, and best of luck with all your Trello endeavors. Happy organizing!